flirty.
I don't make girls with nasty toes.
My brothers don't dine with no Vossi Brocks. I tell a girl to link me at the chicken shop, getting freaky fried wings, taking belly shots. Then I give her 2 Fantas just to top it off. My brothers don't dine with no Vossi Brocks. I tell a girl to link me at the chicken shop, getting freaky fried wings, taking belly shots. Then I give her 2 Fantas just to top it off. Hey, you ain't got a clue, let's be honest. I link a gal with teeth like a forest. I put in the work for the knowledge, looking at your gal like she porridge. Rule number 2, make this promise. If her legs are skinny like an ostrich, let the chick die, not chorus. Never kiss a girl who looks like Boris. This girl's a villain, killing when she's sparring. Brothers in the hood know that she need to cream her dry skin. Servicing her lips, I phone boots to bring the balm in. I was gonna kiss her quick, but I just couldn't arrest alarming. Ooh, I had to pause, don't know what I thought. Catch her with some Listerine and breath mints for some sport. Breath so strong, I can't let her share her thoughts. I can see what she's saying, that's a penny for a thought. I don't walk with her, yeah I used to hit it, still in love with her. Man, I spend my Sundays trying to Google her. Gal say I'm crazy, way too elusive. Chilling in depth for self-catering exclusive. Now may I ask if she can find it in her balance to leave me alone and get some cooking skills for Alan. Looking in the mirror saying, Ashley, you're a father. When I'm Black Panther trying to live my movie, I'm T'Challa in Bombay. My brothers don't dine with no Vossi Brocks, but I tell a girl to link me at the chicken shop, getting freaky with these fried wings, taking belly shots. Then I give her 2 Fantas just to top it off. My brothers don't dine with no Vossi Brocks, but I tell a girl to link me at the chicken shop, getting freaky with these fried wings, taking belly shots. Then I give her 2 Fantas just to top it off. Hey, just to top it off. Just to top it off. No Vossi Brocks. Maurice Johnson, you're a Vossi Bro, Vossi Bro, Vossi Bro, Vossi Bro, Vossi Bro.
Brothers don't die with no Vossi Brocks.
Hey bro, fam, didn't you get the memo? I told you, all black attire.
Bruv, I wore all black for Stormzys video, now I wanna wear white. Don't tell me what to do, cuz.
I am a big man, you know. Man washes the dishes and everything. Respect me. My brothers don't dine with no Vossi Brocks. I tell a girl to link me at the chicken shop, getting freaky fried wings, taking belly shots. Then I give her 2 Fantas just to top it off. My brothers don't dine with no Vossi Brocks. I tell a girl to link me at the chicken shop, getting freaky fried wings, taking belly shots. Then I give her 2 Fantas just to top it off. Hey, you ain't got a clue, let's be honest. I live a gal with teeth like a forest.